2022 INFINITI QX55. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.